Hello viewers, welcome to another weekly summary, which is the last for the month of May. Last week, we wrote about how we are leading transparency in the peer-to-peer world. We also expressed our desire to make market-based lending easy and fast through easy ways of deposit. We brought to you the industry news roundup, and lastly, we mentioned our search for a chief accountant. And do feel free to send in your applications if you're qualified. In our portfolio performance for May 2017, the realized net return in each quarter 2016 were significantly higher than the same quarter in the previous year, 2015, by at least 321 basis points. All countries have generated double digits realized net returns for the last 3 consecutive quarters. Though some of the 2017 Q1 figures may decrease over time, they are all very likely to remain well into the double digits. In our weekly industry news roundup, Evening Standard reported on recent moves by the regulatory body known as the Financial Conduct Authority, which agreed to grant full authorization to most of the leading lights of the peer-to-peer lending industry. Mondo Visionaire discussed a recent move from Orca, a leading research and data analyst covering the UK peer-to-peer market. Crowdfund Insider shared research showing the alternative finance market volume rose to a total of $35.2 billion across the US, Canada, Latin America, and the Caribbean in 2016. Bankless Times explained that some industry insiders believe the peer-to-peer lending world requires more maturation to truly find its footing. And lastly, PYMNTS looked at the millennials and how they embrace technology to help secure their personal financial profile. And lastly, in this comprehensive post of how regulations influence market-based lending, we looked at the regulatory landscape for market-based lending in the US, Europe, and the UK. At Bondora, we believe we already offer the transparency that many key regulators are looking for in the coming years. And that marks the end of this week's summary. Until next week, subscribe to Bondora channel, keep investing, and bye for now.